Hi guys, if you don't have an oven like me, I will show you a simple recipe of dough for pizza in a frying pan. 2 eggs, half teaspoon of salt, mix, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, mix, 4 tablespoons mayonnaise, mix, and 9 tablespoons of flour. And now mix everything well. Our dough is ready. Now grease the pan with butter, so that the dough doesn't stick. Now pour the dough into the pan. Distribute evenly. Grease the dough with ketchup. Choose any ingredients for pizza according to your taste. This is what I found in my fridge. Now sprinkle the ingredients on our pizza. On top, of course, grated cheese. Cover with a lid and put on a small fire for 20 minutes. So our pizza is ready. The pizza easy to get out of the pan. So cut for pieces and enjoy your meal. It's really so tasty. This recipe for 2 persons. Please support by like and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. In 1 week I will cook Georgian food, so don't miss out.